love you, boy.
I love you too.
It's you and I.
Baby, it's me and you.
And no matter what they say,
No matter.
I'ma love you every single day.
Let's go.
It's a lie. Yeah. My chest.
It's our food chest.
My chest. It's my favorite color. It's rose gold.
A clown, I think.
Thank you.
I don't understand. What's going on here?
Guys, we did 25 shoes for 25 baby girls.
It's a lie.
Yes, you deserve it.
25 shoes.
Yeah, 25 shoes.
Are you guys? Oh my god. I'm gonna cry. It's so pretty. This one is my favorite. No. Cindy, I hate you. You didn't tell me. Oh my god. They're all so pretty.
Yeah.
Thank you guys. Oh my explorers. Thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much. Oh God. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh. Thank you. You guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, half time. 12, 13, 14, 15. Wait. I stopped at 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25! Oh my God, I feel so special. Okay, with my the one and only.
Button is pretty, like she's so
She's fine.
You guys, Mercy is so cute, like beautiful. So cute.
We're working, guys.
Or even if she's your ex or something, why do you have to put Nengi into it? You don't need to do that. You know things are already going on between Nengi and Mercy. For you to now put Nengi's picture there, you know people are going to drag her. So why are you doing that? I mean, these two men that we're actually talking about, to me, they're childish. They're not man enough. They're just being petty. Because why do you have to do all that? Even if you have issues with your babe, I don't know. Do you have to put it on social media? Do you have to now put Nengi into the equation so that people can actually see, oh, and the way he actually put the message, he said,
You deserve it.
25 shoes.
Yeah, 25 shoes.
Are you guys? Oh my God. I'm gonna cry. It's so pretty. This one is my favorite. No. Cindy, I hate you. You didn't tell me. Oh my God. They're all so pretty.
Yeah.
Thank you guys. Oh my explorers.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. His Excellency Prince Dapo Abiodun, the Executive Governor of Ogun State. Good evening, sir. Her Excellency Mrs. Bamidele Abiodun, the First Lady. All other protocols to be observed. It is with great honor that I I stand before you all today. The events of the past month in the country as well as in our beloved state have been of utmost concern to myself.
25, you know, in fact, okay, guys, thank you.
When they called you this morning, I said that we need 25 shoes. I said, you put on. She will scream when she said
you didn't even know about
I didn't know until this morning.
Thank you, whatever. Thank you.
I like that one.
Yes.
See how you're looking at
It's my favorite actually. This one.
Yes. The pop. This one is so cute. Saying that this network is strong. Thank you. Guys, I can't. So why didn't you tell me?
I will tell you.
Guess what?